Hello and a very warm welcome to the Margasola Stadium in Freiburg. Match day 14, the second day of the 9 games in this match day. I'm Phil Bonney, I'll be with you throughout the next 90 minutes. Bayern looking as if they mean business. Shaqiri, Ribéry, oh, they wanted a penalty and they've got one. Well, he did raise his arm. Some referees will give those. And Bayern Munich have a penalty. Oh, Baumann got his hand to it, but Müller placed it firmly in the corner. And Thomas Müller opens the scoring. The referee's going to award another penalty. And that was a drag back. Straight red cards. Obvious to everyone. There's the tug. It was outside the box. The referee's got it wrong if he awards a penalty. Got his first one last week, and he nearly got his second one. Dante close again. Sign of a class goalkeeper. Oh, well-timed run. Timochuk's got past the keeper. Timochuk has scored! 2-0. Caught Freiburg going forward, as was only to be expected. And that should wrap up all 3 points and the autumn champions title for Bayern Munich.